तेरे लिए ही तो सिग्नल तोड़ ताड़ के आया दिल्ली वाली गर्लफ्रेंड छोड़ छाड़ के। तेरे लिए ही तो सिग्नल तोड़ ताड़ के आया दिल्ली वाली गर्लफ्रेंड छोड़ छाड़ के।
तेरी अक्ल का इशारा मुझे फ्रॉड लगे, तू तो मजनू आवारा बाइकॉट लगे।
पैसे वादे खा के अपनी पॉकेट मनी पका के आया तेरे लिए पैसे वैसे तोड़ जाड़ के। घर वालों को भी बाइशाए बोल बाल के आया दिल्ली वाली गर्लफ्रेंड छोड़ छाड़ के।
So we're going to keep chatting with Ranveer Deepika, but before that, there's this step of theirs that's gone viral, which is the Badtameez Dil step.
Oh.
So we're going to call 2 boys from here and 2 girls from here. You want to come? Who wants to come?
सब आ जाओ
You
यार।
come, you come, come. Acha, sab aa jao, sab. Now he's invited to sab aa jao. Can we have... Listen, I can't do this step, yaar.
तू हल्का।
Ranveer is going to teach us also. He has to teach everyone.
This one.
Yeah.
अब पुराना वाला you pick यार। चल बिल्कुल ज़रा। हम
Chalo, play the song on loop.
म्यूजिक आएगा क्या? हमें गाना भी पड़ेगा।
Music.
बहुत दूर है, थोड़ा फॉरवर्ड कर ले। बेसिकली
Might as
सिंपल
well
है,
do all of
सब लोग लिसन क्लास हाथ या ये पहले खेला वैसा सब लोग
Listen, I
लिसन में
we
1
should
2
do
3
this,
4
okay?
1 और हाथ 1 2 3 फिर दिल पे मारो या इस पे मारो इस साइड तू सिर्फ ये कर रहा है यहाँ पे
She's doing it very well.
Huh?
She's doing it very well. Do it. Shreena भाग रहा.
इसमें भूत कोई छड़ा है ठहरना जानना अब तो क्या बुरा क्या भला है फर्क पहचानना जिद पकड़ के खड़ा है कम वक्त छोड़ना जानना।
पलम पिचकारी जो तूने स्टेप मारी तो सीधी सादी
Front, side.
सीधी सादी छोरी शराबी हो गई।
Then Jean was? No, this is Jean. No, this is Tumka. This is
नहीं तुमका was this? What is it?
That's what I'm
This
saying.
ना तो जीन्स पहन
नहीं.
By that time you were hitting me from behind.
Jean, return.
तो जीन्स पहन हाँ करो जीन्स पहन के जो तूने मारा ठुमका तो लट्टू पड़ोसन की भाभी। म्यूजिक
Hit them.
थोड़ा फॉरवर्ड कर दे। याद है अभी देखा जल्दी देखा आने से पहले हाँ हाँ फिर then Deepika will sing. तेरी लाइन है।
What's my line? Guy
आएगा ना? सब गाने के लिए आना था. Yes.
Yes.
Boys should take hugs from Deepika.
Alright guys, so like this room wasn't hot enough already that we had a nice little workout. That's your answer to how Deepika remains so fit.
Dance.
Alright, we're going to take a few more questions because we have them for a little while.
No, we'll finish all the questions.
Oh,
Might as well.
wow. Akshita.
Hi Ranveer.
Right.
I'm so stunned right now. I missed the chance. So can I after the show?
Yes, of course.
Thank you so much. And my question is like how the character plays Bunny. Like he's going fun around and he has crazy stuff doing. So in real life, Ranveer is same like Bunny.
Not at all. I'm a very boring person. She'll vouch for that also. I work on movie sets. If I'm not working, I'm always at home on my bed, staring at the ceiling, watching a movie, playing a video game. That's all I do. So it's great that as an actor I get to play such characters, so I can do such adventurous stuff through a character, through a movie, through an experience like that. But in my real life, I'm extremely boring. You'll get bored of me in 5 minutes.
You will never be bored seeing you.
Yeah, I get very boring if you see me also.
तुम पहले भी इतनी खूबसूरत थी या वक्त ने किया कोई हंसी सितम?
इश, क्या फिल्मी लाइन मारी है.
सुभान अल्लाह जो हो रहा है.
ये अब सब तुम्हें फिल्मी लग रहा है बेबी डॉल. एक जमाने में इन्हीं लाइनों पे मरा करती थी तुम.
मैं तुम पे मरती थी. प्लीज.
I think we've got another question.
Karishma?
Hey, how are you?
Hi.
How's your back?
My back is very bad because I'm not too fit. I'm aging, and so I've started this new kind of training where I have to kind of pick
Big lift.
lift weights in a certain way. I'm playing an MMA fighter, like a street fighter, so I'm doing this MMA training. So because of that, I have to like thrust the weight. So I really messed up my back. I'm going through physio. I've also done an operation on my chest, as you can see. I had a cyst which I had to get removed. So it's a bad time for me. Please pray for my health. And my well-being.
We all are. Yes, we all are.
So, yeah, but thank you for asking.
Thank you. My question is, you're not really a dancer, right?
No.
I mean, otherwise.
Thank you for.
I'm really sorry. But you've danced with Madhuri in a song, right, in the movie. So how is it dancing with someone who's such a great dancer? Because I myself am not a dancer. And then
See, it's better to dance with somebody like Madhuri Dixit because then you can do anything because nobody's going to watch you. You're going to watch her only. So, it wasn't really choreographed, that song. We actually got the song the day the song was starting to shoot. So everything was again, just musty and fun. And I just have to be like this giddy-headed boy running around Madhuri.
Which
and I
must
did
have come to you
exactly,
very
very
naturally.
So, yeah, it wasn't that hard.
And you got to give her a peck on her
Yes.
cheek at the end of it.
Yeah.
That was not a part of the plan. He just sort of used his.
Slipped it in.
Yeah.
Did you get to do many takes for that, or
No,
was that only
there were
one
4
take?
takes because there were 4 magnifications.
Oh, okay.
But me and Farah and Ayan really
Can you
had a long
imagine
discussion.
4 magnifications just for one kiss?
Yeah.
Different
It was
angles.
very innocent, as
Yeah.
you can see on the video.
ढल गई तू शाम की तरह ढल गई हाँ खल गई तुझे खल गई मेरी बेपरवाही खल गई मोहतरमा तू किस खेत की मूली है जरा बता फिर मतलब की बकवास तेरा गाना बात हो या हो दिल्ली पाया आगरा
टीवी पे ब्रेकिंग न्यूज खाने वाला घाघरा बगदाद से लेके दिल्ली वागरा. This is Karan. Why are we picking now? So everyone's doing, no? I mean, we're doing.
Oh yeah.
It's just a fun of picking something from a bowl.
Okay.
From a fish
And we
bowl.
have a little fish candy, whatever bowl you want to call it.
I've seen you before.
Yes, last week at Four Seasons.
Yes.
You remember? That's nice.
Oh wow.
Okay, my question for both of you is the same. If you had one word to describe for each other, what would that be and why? Just relate one incident
One
to
word.
it.
Deepika, I would say Madhali. No, Madhali, I said in a nice way. She likes to mother people, you know. She has that caring attitude where she wants to kind of really take care of a person and with everybody, you know, with her own staff, with her friends, everybody. So Madhali is a correct word for her.
I'm thinking what to say.
Fatherly bol de.
Ranbir.
Speechless, huh?
Huh? Yeah,
Speechless.
I think that's saying a lot actually when you're speechless. Passionate.
Why is that?
I don't know, because when I think of Ranbir, I think films, and then when I think about how passionate he is about films and cinema, like for me, when I think of him, that's the only life I think he has. I mean, he lives for that. He breathes films. That's the only thing on his mind. That's the only thing that he gets excited about. Otherwise, he's like he doesn't react to anything. But when it comes to films, there's a lot of excitement, like a child, I think.
And they both wanted to say something.
We love you, Deepika. Oh, thank you.
Okay, one. Or should we just like...
Can I pick? You're picking everyone.
The poll is yours.
Krisha? Yeah. Why am I reading
Ranbir, I
like
love you.
I love you too.
Deepika, I want to ask you, who is your favorite co-star? And you enjoyed a lot.
You've done how many, like your maximum amount of films with Saif you've done?
Yeah.
3. Second is me. Right? Bol de.
Thank you. And Ranbir.
Thanks.
तुझे क्या पता कि अलग अलग देशों में रहने का नशा क्या होता है?
और तुम्हें क्या पता कि अपनों के साथ रहना क्या होता है?
कैलिफोर्निया की धूप,
बम्बई की बारिश,
ब्लूबेरी चीज केक,
गाजर का हलवा,
ब्रॉडवे पे फैंटम ऑफ द ओपेरा,
मराठा मंदिर में DDLJ,
खुशबू. Sorry.
You just did a barfi there.
Yeah. See?
Hi Ranbir, I'm a big fan of yours.
Thank you.
And Deepika as well. I really like your pair. I just wanted to ask that if you are reborn in a Kapoor family, which Kapoor would you like to be?
How would...
Chimpu.
I don't know. I would say my grandfather, but I don't think I'll have the talent to be what he
I think
became.
even your dad's too cute.
Yes, of course, he's very cute. But maybe my great-great-great-grandfather, who I have no idea who he was. There is no picture proof of him, so I would like to be him to understand who he was.
Interesting question.
Yeah, right? An interesting answer as well.
First of all, hi, hello, how are you?
Hi.
Okay, my question is to Deepika. It's like I wanted to ask the bad habits of Ranbir during the shoots. Something like that you have experienced.
You really want to know?
Yeah, exactly.
I really have to say.
Yeah, you have to, obviously.
Don't say I dig my nose because I dig my nose.
I was going to say
Yeah.
he digs his nose.
It's my security blanket. After each shot is cut, my finger goes straight inside my nose.
He goes for it, huh? But he burps a lot.
She burps a lot.
Yeah? He burps all the time.